In the vast darkness of space, our solar system tells a story that has unfolded over billions of years. Tonight, we begin at the very heart of our celestial neighborhood, with the sun, and venture outward to meet the first travelers in this cosmic dance. The sun holds within it 99.8% of all the mass in our entire solar system. Everything else, all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, makes up less than a fraction of what this magnificent sphere of burning hydrogen contains. But our story isn't about the sun alone. It's about the worlds that orbit it. And we begin with the smallest of these wanderers, Mercury. This tiny planet, barely larger than Earth's moon, races around the sun faster than any other world. It completes its journey in just 88 Earth days, sprinting through space at nearly 30 miles per second. Yet here is Mercury's beautiful paradox. Though it races so quickly through its year, a single day on Mercury, one full rotation on its axis, lasts 59 Earth days. Imagine watching a sunrise so slow that nearly 2 months would pass before the sun completed its arc across the sky. Time itself moves differently there, stretched and compressed in ways that challenge our earthbound understanding. Moving outward from Mercury's scorched surface, we drift through the void toward a world shrouded in mystery and clouds. Venus shines brighter in our sky than any star or planet. Ancient observers saw it as both the morning star and the evening star, not realizing they were witnessing the same world at different times. Venus holds secrets beneath its thick atmosphere. The atmospheric pressure on Venus's surface is 92 times that of Earth, equivalent to being nearly a kilometer beneath the ocean on our own world. Temperatures soar to around 870 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. And Venus, too, dances to a different rhythm of time. A single Venusian day lasts 243 Earth days. This means that on Venus, a day is actually longer than a year. The planet also spins backward compared to most other planets. The sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Now we arrive home. Earth, the third planet, the blue marble suspended in the cosmic ocean. Our world is the only place we know where liquid water flows freely on the surface, where forests breathe oxygen into the air, where consciousness has emerged to look upward and wonder. Beyond Earth's blue sanctuary, we venture into the realm of the outer terrestrial worlds, where the landscape transforms from familiar to the hauntingly beautiful. Mars rises before us, the red planet, colored by iron oxide, rust, that covers its surface like an ancient patina. Mars is almost exactly half the size of Earth, with a diameter of just over 4,000 miles. If you could stand on Mars and look up, you would see a sky that appears butterscotch or salmon colored during the day, because of the way dust particles scatter the Martian sunlight. The seasons on Mars last nearly twice as long as those on Earth, because Mars takes 687 Earth days to complete one journey around the sun. Yet despite these extended seasons, a day on Mars, called a sol, is remarkably similar to our own, lasting just 24 hours and 37 minutes. Of all the worlds in our solar system, Mars gives us the most familiar rhythm of day and night. Mars holds another remarkable feature: the largest volcano in the entire solar system. Olympus Mons rises 16 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, and stretches 374 miles across its base. This ancient shield volcano could cover the entire state of Arizona. Now we cross an invisible boundary in space, passing through the asteroid belt, and we enter the domain of the giants, Jupiter appears on the horizon of our imagination, vast and magnificent. This giant world is so large that all the other planets in our solar system could fit inside it with room to spare. 11 Earths could line up across Jupiter's diameter. Yet despite this incredible size, Jupiter spins faster than any other planet. A day on Jupiter lasts only about 10 hours. This massive world rotates so quickly that it bulges noticeably at its equator. The Great Red Spot, that enormous storm we can see swirling on Jupiter's face, has been raging for at least 350 years. The storm is so vast that 2 or 3 Earths could fit inside it side by side, and winds within reach speeds of over 400 miles per hour. Jupiter is not alone in its journey. At least 95 moons orbit this giant planet. 4 of these, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, were first spotted by Galileo in 1610. Ganymede, the largest of these moons, is actually bigger than the planet Mercury, making it the largest moon in our entire solar system. As Jupiter makes its stately orbit, taking nearly 12 Earth years to complete one revolution around the Sun, it serves as a cosmic guardian. Its immense gravity acts as a celestial vacuum cleaner, pulling in asteroids and comets that might otherwise threaten the inner planets. Here, in the realm of Jupiter, we pause in our journey outward. This king of planets marks the transition from the small, rocky worlds we know to the gas giants that dominate the outer solar system.